I know. She's
yeah, whatever.
Don't say any bad words.
We're gonna leave it on Diane. So.
Yeah, that's it. Aim it at her.
This would be what not to do.
You know, I'm gonna turn that into a little vignette and make it a GIF file and put it up on the website.
That'd be funny. That would.
This is what not to do. These are outtakes. I love it. Yeah, there's a big red button.
No, I did. I hit the red button. I swear to you.
I even know that.
And then I hit it to stop, and then it started going 1, 2, 3, and I'm like, shit. I mean, I'm an intelligent human being. I just don't understand.
Say that. Say that again. And say that again.
I'm an intelligent human being.
No, do that. I'm gonna put those two things.
Shish kebabs.
I know.